instructional video on how to properly inflate and deflate your tires. We're going to go step by step and show you through the process. Alright, the first thing you want to do is check your car manual to look up the proper PSI ratings for your tires, specific to your make and model. The next step, you want to remove the valve stem by unscrewing it, and make sure you set it aside until after the inflation process. Next, you want to check your tire pressure to see whether to inflate or deflate your tire. Using the PSI indicator, insert it into the valve stem on the tire. Be sure to apply enough pressure where no air is being released. Note the reading on the gauge, then refer back to the manual to see whether you need to inflate or deflate the tire. We noted that the tire pressure was below the suggested PSI level, so now we're going to properly inflate the tire using the mini air compressor. Apply the quick connect to the valve system on the tire. Making sure that it's securely in place on the tire. Once the quick connect is locked on the valve stem, you can insert the cigarette adapter into your car cigarette outlet. With the car running, the air compressor should immediately start pumping air into your tire. The tire should be inflating. Once the tire is inflated back to its original shape, unlock the latch and remove the quick valve system. Refer back to step 3 to determine if the tire pressure is correct. If the tire pressure is correct, you may screw back in the valve stem cover and repeat the process on the remaining tires. If the pressure was too high, these next steps are going to show you how to properly deflate your tires. Once you have firmly placed the PSI indicator on the tire valve where there is no air being released, press the pressure release button on the PSI indicator. Like so. Check it. Once the suggested PSI level is reached, remove the device from the valve stem and securely fasten the stem cover back onto the tire. After viewing this video, you should know how to properly use the mini air compressor, the PSI indicator, and properly inflate and deflate your tires.